Give it up for Louis Cato of the Late Show Band.
Hey!
There you go. Before we go on, I just want to take a moment here and before we get started to send out our well wishes to former President Joe Biden. This weekend, y'all probably heard.
Yes.
Probably heard this. I know y'all did. That we learned that the former president's been diagnosed with a very aggressive form of prostate cancer. Now, there are treatment options, and Joe and Jill, if I may, everyone here at The Late Show is thinking of you, sending you strength, wishing you the best, and a candle will be lit at St. Cashin's. Folks, I love science, hard sciences, soft sciences, blue sciences, goat sciences. Wait, that's cheese. I love cheese, it turns out. But science is pretty good, too, and I like to tell you all about the latest science news in my long-running science segment.
The sound of science.
Hello, science, my old friend.
Right there. Stay. First up, a new study has revealed that by quieting down certain neuronal networks, bees sleep like humans. So they lie awake until 2 a.m. wondering if they said hi in a weird way to Brenda from accounting? That's an idea. Next up, according to new research, chocolate can lower blood pressure just as well as some medications. Yeah. You hear that, Dr. Conroy? Screw your Mediterranean diet. I am now under the care of Dr. Ferrero Rocher. Okay? He's European, and he lets me smoke. Oh, here's a cute story. Scientists have discovered a species of carnivorous bone collector caterpillars that wear corpses as camouflage. Okay, sounds unusual, but there is an evolutionary reason they do this. They are sick bastards. Apparently, the bone collectors build a disguise from insect cadavers and occasionally engage in cannibalism. Wow, neat. Though, that might change some children's books. Okay, honey, get all cozy. It's time to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar, who builds a disguise from insect cadavers and occasionally engages in cannibalism. You know, or Goodnight Moon, either one. Next up, scientists have found a newly discovered mutation that allows humans to naturally sleep much fewer hours a night without any negative health effects. The mutation is called cocaine. Meanwhile, okay, all right. Meanwhile, in dating news, according to a new study, women are more attracted to bald men. Okay, there's no joke there. Who wrote this?
I did.
Asher, Asher, do you have a joke for this, Asher?
No. I just want to get the word out.
So you're looking to meet women?
No, I'm happily married. I like to show America what they can't have. Eyes down here, ladies.
How's the basketball going, Asher?
Real bad.
Next up, according to new fossil analysis, giant prehistoric kangaroos preferred to chill at home and didn't like to go out much. Further research indicates that when the giant kangaroos did go out, they actually had a pretty good time. And on the way home, they would tell themselves, this is why you go out. You like going out. And I'm never doing that again. Next up, according to a new study, prairie birds are in steep decline. Prairie birds are disappearing. Prairie dogs, your reaction? It's an oldie but a goodie. The decrease is due in part to a reduction in habitat and includes such birds as Henslow's sparrow, the tiny sedge wren, and the gold-splashed dick sizzle. Side note, if you find that your dick sizzles gold splashed, take half a step back from the urinal. Next up, really? Applause? Applause? Next up on the Sound of Sci, a new study says that chewing gum may release thousands of microplastics into the saliva. What? But I thought the razzleberry flavored wad of chemically extruded sneaker sole I was chewing was safe. And the hippies aren't immune either, folks, because the study found that even natural gums weren't plastic free. But don't worry, they still taste like chewing Tom's of Maine deodorant. You know their slogan, Tom's of Maine, it's better than nothing. No, it's not. We'll be right back with Angela Bassett.